Hello to you. I'm Jessie R. Johnson. This is the real, R-E-A-L, the real sun is 1,651.29 miles altitude above the earth. And why 89.99 degrees is used to find that distance. Please share this video and subscribe. There are 7 simple reasons why 89.99 degrees is used. But first, basic arithmetic and basic trigonometry to find the sun's precise distance. And then the simple reasons 89.99 degrees is used. The earth is flat. And number one, you have only to explain how a hot sun can be only 1,651.29 miles away from a ball-shaped Earth's surface. And number two, you have only to debunk basic arithmetic, debunk basic trigonometry's angle of elevation, debunk basic horizon mechanics, debunk basic 2-inch pencil beam naval tracking system technology, etc. Now, to begin, this is an illustration. Hold on, please. To continue, this here are photographs of the sun. Its sunbeams passing through the clouds. There are hundreds upon hundreds of thousands of these photographs online. Simply go to Yahoo, MSN, Google, and so forth. Hundreds of thousands of these type of photographs showing, proving 100% that the sun is local, L-O-C-A-L. That simply means that it is within 3,000 miles distance from us. That's what that means. Look at the sunbeams. You see how they are triangle shaped? You see it? Triangular? All of them triangular? Well, thousands of these photographs have been triangulated by those who know trigonometry. And here's another example of this. Hold on. Another example of this. Look at the beams. Look at these sunbeams. If the sun were 93 million miles away, this would be a physical impossibility. A physical impossibility. Why? Because all of the beams would be parallel. Over 99.999% parallel. Does this look parallel to you? Does this look parallel to you? No. This here can be triangulated. A straight vertical line here. And then take one of these and go back and simply figure out what you want as a degrees and a distance at the adjacent side of the triangle. Look at this one. You see it? They can be triangulated, and they have been triangulated. Now, this here is basic arithmetic. This here's the equator. The equator is considered 24,901 miles in circumference divided by 24 hours equals 1,037.54 miles per hour divided by 60 minutes equals 17.29 miles per minute times 5280 feet. Since 60 cannot be divided into 17.29, you multiply the 17.29 miles by 5 1,280 feet, which is 1 regular mile, which equals 91,303.66 feet, divided by 60 seconds now, equals 1,521.72 feet a second. Now, we go from basic arithmetic to basic trigonometry's angle of elevation. All triangles have 3 edges, A, B, and C. The sun is put here at C. All triangles have 3 sides, hypotenuse, opposite side, and adjacent side. The sun is right above your head. You are at position B. And the sun is directly above your head at C, and your shadow is cast into your shoe. Now, since there's only 1 second left, 89.99 degrees is used, which will be explained in a few minutes. 89.99 degrees is used. Hence, A to B is 1,521.72 feet. A to C is 89.99 degrees. B to C is the tangent of 89.99 degrees, which equals 5,729.577893 times 1,521.72 feet, which equals 8,718,813, divided by 5,280, which is 1 mile, which equals 1,651.29 miles above the surface of the earth. The sun is 1,651.29 miles above the earth, right here at the bottom. There are 86,400 seconds in a day. Therefore, there are 86,400 right-angled triangles just identical to this, with the same simple information in it. Now, hold on, please. To continue, when I get comments on the true distance of the real sun, R-E-A-L, the real sun, not the fantasy heliocentric religion sun of a big ball of gravitationally compressed hot plasma in fluidic form, but the real sun, it usually concerns the 89.99 degrees and how it's arrived at. To begin with, number 1, 90 degrees have 5 values: 0, 1, 1.xxx, undefined, and infinity. None of these 5 can be used to calculate the distance of the sun. In this case of the sun being exactly 90 degrees equals 0 and cannot be used. Straight above your head. Number 2, when the real sun's rays or sunbeams are triangulated from thousands of photographs, the maximum range is 1,500 miles to 3,000 miles. The concentrated range is 2,000 miles to 2,500 miles. The precision value is 1,651.29 miles for the sun's altitude. Number 3, in the basic arithmetic section of the illustration that I just showed you, all values have been given to 2 places after the decimal point. Therefore, 89.99 degrees has 2 places, and having those 2 places, it is used. Number 4, the closest degrees after 90 degrees is 89.99 degrees. Number 5, 89.99 degrees gives the closest within the 2,000 to 2,500 miles range and the 1,500 miles range. Number 6, 89 degrees, 89.9 degrees, 89.99 9 degrees, 89.9999 do not give values within the 1,500 to 3,000 mile range, nor the 1.5 to 2,000 mile range. The degrees chosen must conform to the real range of the real world, of the real sun. And only 89.99 degrees does that with its tangent. Number 7. 89.99 degrees have the correct decimal point placement when its tangent is calculated. 89.99 degrees has the correct tangent to number 2 mentioned a moment before this. The others of number 6 do not. I want to thank everyone for listening and watching. Have a fine day and send me your comments. Oh yes, please share this video and subscribe. Have a fine day.